Oh, hi there. I'm Saravji. Welcome to my hut. Today, I'm going to be talking about Google Cloud Professional Machine Learning Engineer Certification, going through the program, week 12, reporting on the progress that I'm making, another interims report where I'm at, a couple technical tips, and a new badge that I have. Let's dive in. Hi, I'm Saravji. Welcome to my hut. Today, week 12, going through the Google Cloud Professional Machine Learning Engineer Certification. I'm going to be reporting on the progress that I'm making, an interims report of what is actually happening behind the scenes, technical tip that I promised last week, and a new badge that I got. So let's dive in. The progress where I'm at is about 59% of the allocated hours as per quick lab, 158 hours of 267.5 hours. Making good progress. Google actually expects this course to take about 7 months to complete. Being a good portion, above 50% after 12 weeks, is pretty good. As for the interims report, I have about 158 hours spent on the materials, 59 labs completed, over 350 videos consumed, 38 quizzes solved, and I will keep updating these very fundamental stats as I'm going along. Moving into the technical tips, I decided after I'm completely done with this Google Cloud certification, I'm going to be putting a video together dedicated to all the technical tips that I have for everybody going through these quick labs. Let's have a look at this week's technical tip. I pulled up one lab I did go through recently out of the repository of the quick labs that Google is using. I'm going to be showing it on this lab as an example. It applies actually to many more labs, not just this one, so this is just one example lab. The thing that I actually want to point out is if you are going through the quick labs and you're spinning up a workbench node for a Jupyter Lab notebook, before you're spinning it up, double check your lab, and if your lab has this region setting in it, here, this region setting, anywhere in the lab, it is not necessarily in the first cell or this early in the lab, and it might be further down in the lab. Double check your lab, and if there is this region setting in there, simply set your workbench node to the same region. This prevents a lot of potential pitfalls down the road, because sometimes you're actually not seeing or recognizing in the lab that there is a regional setting applied, and if the regional setting is different than the area where you have spun up the node, then you're running into trouble. Also, I have seen labs where this regional setting is actually getting set multiple times throughout the lab. In a case like that, if you're actually overlooking one of the points, your notebook is not working and you're troubleshooting. The easiest to avoid all that is spin up your workbench cluster in the same region. It's as simple as that. And as mentioned, I got an additional badge that I'm simply going to be adding to the collection. So stay tuned. What is coming next week? See you back around. Thank you for visiting me at my hut. I'm Saravji. Take care. See you next time.